Hey, the live gremlins got me, so I'm gonna do it again. um, the best of the best. So if you think building an online business after 60 sounds impossible, you might be surprised by what I discovered. So 2 years ago, if you told me I'd be running an online business, I would have laughed because back then I thought, I had tried the online space and it's just for the younger generation, blah, 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 glued to their phones kind of thing. Well, I was the woman who used Facebook just to keep up with family photos. Not to run a business. I thought maybe my time to start something new had passed. But here's what happened. I've been living life, traveling, with family, or I was traveling to see family, going camping, or staying in little cabins, exploring, and yes, learning new skills. I never thought I'd learn, but here's the important part: I learned everything online. Yeah, that's right, everything online. Um, who would have thought, right? You don't have to travel to get the training. It's all here in the team, included. No extra cost. But when I do get to attend an event in person, like our convention just a few weeks back, the connections are incredible. I've been to conventions before, and this one here was home. I've never felt that before. The connections, meeting the team face to face, who'd only see on Zoom, um, that is special, and it's even more special when everybody is in that same place. This convention felt, I mean, truly like home, and making sure that you were welcome for those that were the OGs, and for any newbies, to the company, that kind of thing. Everybody was there for for each other. You're not alone. So this business has brought so much color and energy and bounce to my step. And yes, it's helped me build income too. For some, that might mean just a little bit of side cash, and for others, it's a way to connect and belong. For me, it's been both. And that it's funny. This all lines up with what I wrote in this week's blog about starting over in midlife with clarity. And if you didn't catch that yet, you can scroll back to my Monday post and give it a read after this. It's all connected, so I look forward to sharing that with you. Um, excuse me. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Claudette, and I help women boost their wellness and create income with a business that fits their life. I've been in wellness for years, but finding this team was the game changer. I mean, truly, no tricks here. No high pressure sales, no stock in a garage full of product, thank goodness. And no extra fees for training. Our training, we have um, mentors, leaders, all the different professions in here. Um, and so the training's all in house. It's plug and play resources and teammates who literally guide you step by step. So if you get stuck, we can help you, point you to the resource and help teach you where those are. So definitely the A team, golden supportive, truly invested in each other's success. Uh, so what does that really look like for me? Some days I'm working from the kitchen table with the grandson next to me as he does his schoolwork. Um, got my happy juice in hand. I start my day off with water. Coffee's very minimal. But yeah, it's always, everybody has whatever, but I just make it work with our family. And, we can make this, sometimes it's by the campsite, a cozy cabin on a family trip, which we've been doing pretty regular. So if you've been following me, that's what's been happening. And the beauty is I built this work around my life so that, not the other way around, so that way I can live life. We post online, but, we don't make it into salesy post. You may see stuff because, hey, when some extra things are happening, we want you to know about it. But it's about sharing real moments, giving value, and sparking conversations. The resources are ready to go. So I'm not sitting here wondering what to say or post. I prep things so it's ready. And yeah, things change it. And when I can't find something or I'm feeling stuck, there's always someone ready to point you in the right direction.
By doing these little
Say, hey, it's right over here. Oops, I don't know what that was. Gotta love the gremlins on
Little
online
hot
here.
switch.
So something's happening with my. Here we go. A little extra pizzazz on my live here. So yeah, um, there's always someone to help point you in the right direction, so you don't stay stuck. We have
True.
everybody helps each other, so that way you're never alone. And what's going on with my buttons on the computer here? Um, yeah, so here we are live. You just never know. Somebody can't find something. Like I said, we're here, a real team, and you're never building alone. Plus, I have my little sidekick assistant. Yep. And I look forward to sharing that with you and giving you the opportunity to have these secret tools to help move me forward faster and stay out of stuck. So, don't want anybody staying stuck. We want to keep you on track and not feeling overwhelmed. So, honestly, it's been phenomenal. Um, if you're curious about that, we can talk about it because it's been a game changer for me. And I know that what we have to offer is something that would be valuable for you as well. So let's have that conversation and work towards that. Opportunities like this don't exist for our generation. Today, you can create income streams from home that fit around schedules, whether they're full time work,
Back on.
retirement, or just in general. So you don't have to go big to make a difference in your life. An extra 500 a month, that's travel money, grocery money, gas in your tank, memories with your grandkids. But here's the question I always ask: if not now, then when? So if you've got nothing to lose and so much to gain, so health, wellness, wealth, that's a pretty powerful combination. Um, so if you couldn't join us live on our opportunity call that we just had, I have the replay, and I look forward to sharing that with you. So again, it's not a sales pitch; it's a peek inside how we actually build our businesses, the systems we use, and why our community stands out. Why people are seeking our community and hearing about it and jumping in. So just comment replay or just click in the first comment. I have my sneak peek in there, you can do there. Or just message me if you just want to have that conversation. Let's just share. So who knows? You might discover something you
On the
didn't even
wall,
know.
you really reduce
It,
the amount of
my,
impact and
my goodness sakes, I'm really having a day with my life, but I'm plugging away. Just going to keep going. So, again, I am Claudette, and don't let the gremlins get you. Just keep moving forward because you know what? Life is awesome, and let's live it. So, again, thank you for joining me, and let's talk soon.